Next we are discussing Napier's analogy. Napier's analogy, or we can say law of tangent. Law of tangent. Okay, so next we are discussing Napier's analogy, or we can say law of tangents. Okay, so in this one we have a triangle. In triangle, this is what A, this will be B, this will be C. Opposite to A side is small a, opposite to B small side is what? Small b, opposite to A side is small c. Okay, so here we are discussing law of tangent, that means here we discuss tan formulas. So what is the formula? Tan of A minus B divided by 2. This is equal to what will come? A minus B divided by A plus B into cot of, okay, here we have A and B angle. Okay, so remaining angle is what? C. So here will come what? Cot of C by 2. This is called Napier formula. Okay, if you want to find out tan of B minus C by 2, so this will come what? Here is what? B and here is what? C. So what will come? B minus C divided by B plus C cot of, what is remaining angle? A. So what will come? Cot of A by 2. If you want to write tan of A minus A or C minus A, suppose we want C minus A by 2. So this will come what? C minus A divided by C plus A into cot of, what is remaining? B. So cot of B by 2. Okay. For example, if you want tan of A minus C by 2. So here what will come? This is what A and this is what C. So what will come? A minus C divided by A plus C into cot of, what is remaining angle? B. So cot of B by 2. This is called Napier analogy. Next we are discussing proof of this one. Okay, so we are taking here LHS. LHS is what? Tan of A minus B divided by 2. So here what you are doing? We are dividing here tan of A plus B divided by 2 and multiply also tan of A plus B divided by 2. This will come. Next we are converting this one in terms of sine cos. Similarly this also we are converting in terms of sine cos. So what will come? Sine of A minus B divided by 2 divided by cos of A minus B divided by 2 into denominator is what? Sine of A plus B divided by 2 and numerator is what? Cos of A plus B divided by 2 into, this will come tan of, in bracket, A plus B by 2. We know that in a triangle A plus B plus C equal to what? Pi. So if we divide here 2, so what will come? Pi by 2. So this one we can write A plus B divided by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2. So from here A plus B divided by 2 equal to what? Pi by 2 minus C by 2. Okay, so here A plus B by 2. Okay, A plus B by 2 we can write as what? Pi by 2 minus C by 2. This will come. Okay, now here we are multiplying 2 and dividing 2. So numerator is what? 2 sine A minus B by 2 we can write as what? 2 sine A by 2 minus B by 2 into, this is what? Cos of, this one we can write A by 2 plus B by 2. Okay, and divided by, this one we can write 2 cos, this one we can write A by 2 minus B by 2 sine of, this one we can write A by 2 plus B by 2 into tan pi by 2 minus C by 2. Okay, so this will come what? Cot C by 2 and pi by 2 minus which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant tan is positive, so here what will come? Plus sign will come. So plus cot C by 2, this will come. Okay, it is in multiplication only. So what sine A by 2 minus B by 2 into cos A by 2 plus B by 2 we can write as what? Sine of A by 2 plus B by 2 plus this one. So A by 2 plus B by 2 plus A by 2 minus B by 2. So minus B by 2 plus B by 2 getting cancelled. A by 2 plus A by 2 is what? A. So what becomes? Sine A minus sine of a by 2 plus b by 2 minus this one. So a by 2 plus b by 2 minus a by 2 plus b by 2, because minus minus what plus. So here what will come, minus a by 2 plus a by 2 getting cancelled. Here is what plus b by 2 and this what plus b by 2. So what will come, b divided by 2 cos a by 2 minus b by 2 into sine a by 2 plus b by 2. Here is what plus and here is what minus. So here what will come, sine of this one plus this one. So a by 2 plus b by 2 plus a by 2 minus b by 2. So here what will come, a plus sine of a by 2 plus b by 2 minus a by 2 minus minus what plus b by 2. So here will come what, sine b, and this what into cot c by 2. This will come sine a. Okay, we know that a equal to what, 2r sine a. So what is sine a? Sine is what, a by 2r. So sine a we can write a by 2r minus sine b we can write b by 2r. Similarly, denominator sine a we can write a by 2r plus sine b we can write b by 2r into cot c by 2. This will come. Okay, 2r getting cancelled. So this will come what, a minus b divided by a plus b into cot c by 2. This is your proof.